Every clip you just watched, AI. No camera, no lighting, no restaurant visit. And people are getting paid hundreds to thousands of dollars a month making exactly this for local restaurants and bars.
In the next few minutes, I'm giving you the entire system, the tool, the exact prompts, how to find businesses that'll pay for this, and how to approach them so they say yes. This is a full start to invoice system. Let's break down the tool first, because if you don't understand what it's actually doing, you'll waste time generating content that looks cheap. Let's clear something up first, because a lot of people get this wrong. This isn't two separate tools you're stitching together. It's one platform.
Topview AI is the platform. Inside it, there's a feature called Agent V2. And Agent V2 is an AI-powered, multi-scene video creation tool that generates full videos just by chatting with it. You're not jumping between 5 different apps. You plan the video, generate it, edit it, and export it all inside one workspace. What's actually generating the motion underneath, the sear marks, the flare-up, the camera movement, is Seedance 2.0, an advanced AI video model that Agent V2 is powered by. Because everything happens in one workspace, you can feed it reference images, and it uses all of that together to keep your output looking like it came from the same shoot every time. That's what makes this sellable. A restaurant isn't paying you for one nice-looking video. They're paying you for a consistent visual identity across every dish, every drink, every week. And Agent V2 is what locks that in without you manually matching color grades and lighting by hand.
Here's where most people are doing this wrong. They write one prompt for one static shot, food sitting there, maybe some steam. That's not a commercial, that's a photo with motion. What actually sells is when your prompt reads like a shot list, not a single description. Multiple camera angles, multiple beats of action, all strung together into one flowing sequence. I'm gonna show you the exact prompt structure I use to get that, beat by beat.
Here's a full prompt exactly as I type it into Agent V2 for a Cajun shrimp skewer dish. You can pause to screenshot because I'm going to break down every piece of this after. I'm going to sign in to Topview AI. On the dashboard, you'll see this prompt box. I'm going to select Agent V2. Paste in the prompt I showed you earlier, select the model, Seedance 2.0, set the aspect ratio, resolution, duration, and hit generate. Agent V2 will start transforming your detailed cinematic concept into a high-intensity, production-ready video plan. You can chat with it right here and refine the shots if you want. Hit generate video, and within minutes, your first video is ready.
That's 11 distinct camera moments in one 15-second clip, and here's the formula behind it, broken into 5 parts.
Part 1 is the opening macro. Extreme macro shot of raw shrimp being dusted with Cajun spice. You always open on a tight, tactile detail. That's the hook shot, the one that stops a scroll. Part 2 are the transitions. Notice the words doing the cutting for you. Whip pan, whip cut, fast cut, whip rotate. Every one of those tells the model exactly how to move from beat to beat, the same way an editor would cut a real commercial. Without those words, you get one static shot. With them, you get a sequence. Part 3, we have the action beats. The flare-up, the flip, the glaze brush. These are verbs, not descriptions. Chef drizzling oil onto flame causing sudden flare-up is an event happening, not a scene sitting still. Events are what make a clip feel alive. Part 4, the slow motion inserts. Ultra slow motion close-up of char marks forming in real time. That's a texture moment, dropped in the middle of fast action. And it's exactly what a real videographer does to make the food itself the star for a second. Part 5, we have the hero shot and the technical tags at the end. Every commercial style prompt should end on a plated hero shot, then close with your lighting and color language. And always lock in your duration and aspect ratio so there's no guessing.
Same formula, completely different business in a cocktail bar this time. Watch how the beats change, but the structure stays identical. Once you've got a prompt structure like this dialed in for a client, generate 2 to 3 variations. Same beat, small changes to the transition style or the hero shot angle, so you're not delivering one clip, you're delivering options. And the tool already generated your video with SFX and background music. You can choose to use that or edit everything in your preferred video editing tool, and you've got a finished, sellable commercial that never touched a real camera or a real crew. Here's something that'll kill your business fast if you skip it: sending every client the same looking video. You have to customize on 3 levels.
First, visual tone. A cocktail bar wants moody and dark tone, like the second example. A brunch spot wants bright, warm, high energy cuts. You're not changing the tool, you're changing the beats and the lighting language in your prompt. Second, Format. Default to vertical for Reels and TikTok, but always ask if they need horizontal for their website homepage or an in-store TV loop. That's an easy add-on sale most creators never ask about. Third, and this is the one that actually keeps clients paying monthly, brand consistency. Once you land a client, save their reference set and the exact 5-part structure you used for them. Every new video should look like it came from the same production as the last one, even though none of them were filmed at all.
That consistency is the entire reason a business keeps you on retainer instead of hiring someone new every month. So let's actually go find clients.
First, Instagram and TikTok search. Search your city plus restaurant, cafe, or bar. You're looking for accounts posting blurry phone photos or nothing posted in the last month. That's a business with a visible content gap and a budget that isn't already going to a videographer. Scroll their grid. If the last post is weeks old or every photo looks like it was taken in a rush between orders, that's your opening. Second, Google Maps. Search restaurants near you, sort by newest listings or by rating, and check which profiles have 0 video. New openings are gold because they need content immediately and almost never have a vendor locked in yet. Third, local food delivery apps and city food blogs. Anyone getting written up, trending, or pushing a new menu is actively trying to grow, which means they're far more likely to say yes to more visibility more often without much convincing. Build a list of at least 20 businesses before you send a single message. This is a numbers game, and volume is what makes the numbers work in your favor.
Do not cold message a business asking if they want video content. That gets ignored almost every time. Use the spec ad method instead.
Pick one business off your list. Use their actual menu, their actual dish, and build one full commercial for them, unsolicited, using the exact 5-part structure you just watched. Then send it directly. Hey, I made this for using your... No charge, just wanted you to see it. If you like the style, I can build out a full content calendar for you.
You're not asking them to imagine the value. You're handing them a finished commercial with their own dish in it. That's why this converts so much better than a pitch deck or a generic cold DM, and there's nothing left to imagine. Now let's talk numbers.
Single videos for local businesses typically run $150 to $400. Monthly retainers, usually 8 to 12 videos a month, run $800 to $2,000, depending on your market and how strong your samples are. Land 3 or 4 retainer clients, and this becomes a full second income built entirely from a laptop.
This gap is wide open right now. Every day you wait, someone else is pitching businesses with AI videos and getting the clients that could have been yours. You don't need to figure out what to prompt or spend hours testing what works. I've already done that for you, and I put together fully structured, plug-and-play Seedance 2.0 prompts across high-converting niches like skincare, fitness, fashion, food, and home. You literally copy-paste and start creating. It costs less than what most people spend on a coffee, but the videos you create with it could help you land clients worth hundreds or even thousands. You'll find the link in the description. If this video helped you, subscribe because I'm going to keep showing you practical AI workflows that help you make money and not just cool videos.